What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to install the missing clock app in Galaxy S24 FE. So first of all, open Play Store. Now in Play Store, go to the search bar and search for clock app. Now here install this clock app if you haven't installed yet. So if you have not installed the clock app, then here it will show a option of install. So by default it's showing update or open. So if you are installing it for the first time, then here it will show the option of install, and after installing, the clock app will be available in your home screen and app screen. So that's how you can install the missing clock app in Galaxy S24 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.